good afternoon or good morning, depending on which part of the world are you at the moment. And welcome to our open house at 157 Eastover Road in the Newfield area of Stamford, Connecticut. This is Silva Christoph of Keller Williams, and if you allow me, I will take off the mask because, as a matter of fact, I have a hard time breathing and my glasses get fogged. So for those of you who are not familiar with Stamford and Connecticut, I will be happy to introduce the area to you in a much more detailed video, just to help you find about your bearings at the moment. We are about 5 minutes away from the Merritt Parkway, and we are about an hour away from New York and seeing a Broadway show, which is, by the way, the reason I moved to Stamford from the city here about 20 years ago. I love to take the train and go and watch a Broadway show, and it's only an hour away. There is nothing here that is more than 15 minutes away. You want to go to the hospital, you want to go to the train station, you want to go to 3 beaches, it's 15 minutes away. And this corner here, this is a corner of a cul-de-sac, which actually is right across from a conservation land, which means that nobody will ever be allowed to build there. So this private corner on a cul-de-sac is yours forever, for as long as you would like to have it. So without further ado, let me introduce you to this home, which was built in 2004. It is modern, it is convenient, yet private, and it is on over 6,000 square feet, 3 levels. It offers 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2 family rooms, huge playroom aside from it, and then unbelievable gym space downstairs in the lower level. Also, there is a possibility and an opportunity for adding a wine cellar, which the current owner didn't choose to use, but it's there for you if you need it. So let me introduce you to this beautiful home. We are entering magnificent lobby, and I hope you notice how quiet it is. That's why I stopped for a moment. Here is the dining room on one side, which is the formal dining room. There is, as a matter of fact, an eating kitchen, and also on this side you have one of the 2 family rooms. The house is hardwood floors throughout. This is the second family room, which is very spacious with fireplace. And in case you decide to have working from home as more permanent lifestyle for yourself, here is an office which is actually very, very big, very spacious, and very convenient. So let me take you to the kitchen and the eating kitchen. And one of the features is huge pantry and bar space between the kitchen and the dining area, with a wine cooler, which stays. And then here is the laundry room. So everything is super convenient. Again, it is on natural gas, central air, public water, and public sewer. And the bills are very economical for maintaining this home. I will be able to share it with you, of course, if there is any interest. And let me take you out to this beautiful patio with fire pit where you can enjoy. Privacy, green trees, grill. Sunbathing if you wish. I will stop by the powder room here. I love the art in this house. And now I will take you to the second floor. Where you can find all the 4 bedrooms. This one on the left offers full bathroom. Very quiet. Ample closet space throughout. This is walk-up attic, which actually is huge and can be finished. This is 1 full bath, and these 2 bedrooms are sharing the full bath. This is a guest room awaiting for someone to come and enjoy. Walk-in closet in this room. And now here is the huge playroom where you can gather for movies, you can use it as an art studio, business meetings, you name it. Lots of space, very bright. It's gorgeous. So let me take you downstairs. I will take you upstairs to show you the... Look at this. I mean, imagine if you finish it up. It is literally huge. This is the walk-up attic. And now I will take you to the lower level where you can install huge gym, and there is so much storage space. Let's take a look. One of the machines can stay. This one. It's actually included in the sale, if you're interested, of course. The staircase is taking you to the garage, and behind all these doors, it's huge storage space. And then behind this door here, I'm not going to open it at the moment, you can install the wine cellar. And this is a quick peek in the mechanical room, where everything is almost new. As a matter of fact, this was replaced in 2018. And here are the 4 zones. Well, McLean, we know it's one of the best brands in the field. The ductwork for the central air. There is also central pack, and there is a radon remediation system installed, so you don't have to worry about that. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for visiting. Call me with any questions. This was Silva Christoph with Keller Williams of Stamford, and my number is 203-253-1565. I look forward to be of assistance. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.